Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we talk about how to get rid of swollen ankles fast, home remedies, edema, and don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification button. You can help reduce swelling in your feet with home remedies, including hydration, massage, and making dietary changes. You may need additional treatment for the underlying cause. Painless swelling of the feet or ankles is common and can happen for a variety of reasons. Causes of swollen feet can include staying on your feet too long, ill-fitting shoes, pregnancy, dietary factors, certain medical conditions. When fluid accumulates in tissues, it's called edema. While edema usually resolves on its own, there are some home remedies that may reduce the swelling more quickly and increase your own comfort. Here are 10 to try. 1. Drink enough water. Getting enough fluids can help reduce swelling. When your body isn't hydrated enough, it is more inclined to retain fluids. This contributes to swelling. 2. Use compression socks. Some people have swollen feet due to venous insufficiency when the blood collects in the legs because it does not pump back to the heart effectively. Compression socks may be an option. Trusted source in this case, and for people with swelling due to lymphedema, when lymph fluid collects and causes swelling. However, you shouldn't use compression if you have peripheral arterial disease, as it may affect blood supply. Compression socks come in a variety of weights and compressions. It might be best to start off with lighter weight socks and then find the kind that provides the most relief. 3. Soak in a cool Epsom salt bath for about 15 to 20 minutes. Many people use Epsom salt, magnesium sulfate, for muscle pain, but the Epsom Salt Council say it may also reduce swelling and inflammation. The theory is that Epsom salt draws out toxins and increases relaxation. However, there is not enough scientific evidence to confirm this. 4. Raise your feet, preferably above your heart. Prop your feet up on cushions or pillows when sleeping or sitting. If you're looking to reduce foot swelling during pregnancy, try elevating your feet several times a day as well. Try to avoid standing for long periods.
5. Get moving.
If you sit or stand in one area for a long period of time, for instance, at work, you may get swollen feet. Try to move a little each hour. For example, walk to the break room, stroll around the block at lunch, or flex your knees and ankles. 6. Magnesium-rich foods and supplements. Fluid retention may be a sign of a magnesium deficiency. Eating foods high in magnesium can help boost your magnesium levels. Magnesium-rich foods to add to your diet include almonds, cashews, spinach, potatoes, brown rice. Most adult males need 410 to 420 milligrams mg, trusted source of magnesium per day, and females need 310 to 320. If you're not getting enough from your diet, a doctor may recommend supplements. Always seek medical advice before taking magnesium supplements, especially if you have a kidney or heart condition. 7. Reduce salt intake. Sodium is directly linked trusted source with fluid retention in the body. At least one study trusted source has found that males aged 60 years or over with a high sodium intake are more likely to have leg swelling. Reducing your sodium intake can help decrease swelling in your body, including in your feet. Opt for low-sodium versions of your favorite foods and try to avoid adding salt to meals. Check the labels of ready-made foods and choose fresh produce over prepackaged or processed foods. These often contain added salt. What is a low-sodium diet? 8. Manage your weight. There is growing evidence of a link between obesity and edema. A high body weight can affect blood circulation, leading to swelling of the lower extremities. It can also put extra strain on the feet, causing pain when walking. Difficulty with walking can lead to a more sedentary lifestyle, and a lack of movement may then also increase the risk of swelling. Losing weight can help ease the strain on your feet and possibly reduce foot swelling as well. Seek medical advice if you have concerns about your weight. 9. Massage your feet. Massage can be an effective trusted source for swollen feet due to lymphedema, and it can also promote relaxation. Massage your feet toward your heart with firm strokes and some pressure. This can help move lymph fluid out of the area and reduce swelling. 10. Increase your intake of potassium-rich foods. A potassium deficiency can contribute to high blood pressure and water retention. If you have no dietary restrictions, consider eating foods containing potassium. Potassium helps because sodium contributes to water retention, but potassium reduces the effects trusted source of sodium on the body. Some potassium-rich foods trusted source include dried apricots, lentils, acorn squash, potato, kidney beans, orange juice. Try drinking orange juice or low-fat milk instead of soda too. If you have any medical conditions, especially kidney issues, talk with your doctor before adding lots of potassium to your diet. When to see a doctor? At-home remedies may help manage swollen feet, but they might not all be effective for everyone. If one doesn't work, consider trying another. If home remedies don't help, if you have swelling in only one foot, or if you notice other symptoms, speak with a doctor. These symptoms could indicate a health condition that needs treatment. Your doctor may prescribe diuretics if they think that medical steps are necessary to reduce the fluid retention. Frequently asked questions. How can you get rid of swollen feet fast? Home remedies may not have an immediate effect on swelling, but raising the feet may bring relief. A doctor may prescribe a diuretic, such as furosemide, Lasix. What is a natural remedy for swollen feet? Raising or massaging the feet, walking around, bathing in Epsom salts, and eating less salt are some natural ways of reducing or managing swelling in the feet. What is best to drink for swollen feet? Water is the best choice, but the occasional unsweetened orange juice will add potassium to your diet. What over-the-counter remedies for swollen feet? It's best to see a doctor if you have swollen feet to check for any underlying conditions. However, you can buy 15 millimeters of mercury compression stockings over the counter, and these are considered safe for most people to use. Final thoughts. Swollen feet can happen for many reasons. Home remedies, such as drinking enough water, raising the feet, and wearing compression socks, may help. In some cases, however, a doctor may recommend diuretics or other treatment to address an underlying health condition. Check with a healthcare professional before taking any supplements, as even natural supplements can have adverse effects or interfere with other treatment. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Be sure to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We also encourage you to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching.